tanks are full. After the super heavy rain last night, I thought we will wake up without, or like we will get up in the morning without roofs. That's how heavy it was, guys. Hello, YouTube land. This is One Pinoy Chick Chats. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. So today, I'm gonna have a farm walk. Like last night, I was thinking during the super heavy rain and like the roof is like super noisy. We cannot like get back. It was so hard to go back to sleep after all the like with all that noise. Well, tanks are full. Should be happy about that. However, what made me um like almost sleepless last night was the super heavy rain, which I thought would flood a lot of areas in the farm, and the eggs that are just in the yard, and the fact that the chicken house is not yet finished, and one side where the nests are, as far as I know, there are only 4 nests that are empty. The rest are with eggs. So like I was thinking, there's no William is not yet finished with the black sheet to put around the wall near the or around the nesting area. So like, and usually the winds would be going this way like that, because usually the winds are like coming from there to here, and that's the positioning of the nests or nesting area. It's like, just thinking, how about the turkey? I'm already anticipating white turkeys before the end of July. How about the babies in the Madre de Agua area? Because there's 2 babies again, guys, 2 little birds. And they're like few days old, like 4 or 5 days old only by the size compared to the last one we saw. So I said, let's have a farm walk. I told myself and I, because this morning I took some goat feed, and there's no overflowing from the other farm, from the neighbor farm, which is like their drain is coming into my farm. There's no such thing as heavy waters or heavy flow of waters in the drains. And even here, guys, the creek here, nothing whatsoever. It's like it did not experience heavy rains at all. And like in some videos before that we've shown you from my channel with the fish, I think that was, and from other videos of my husband and also farming in the Philippines, the water after heavy rains, it would go yucky yellow, but this time, guys, clear as clear. So that area over there, it doesn't look like rain. So like I even had a thought that maybe I was just dreaming. Was just dreaming of those noisy, super noisy rain, scary rain. But like when I saw my citron lemon, it almost fall down. Lucky I put I tied it before, and my flowers that Ate Bless gave me. Hi Ate Bless, if you're watching. The flower that Ate Bless just gave me on her birthday, she's the one who gave it to the celebrant. I feel sorry. I feel guilty that I didn't have a gift. The birthday celebrant gave me a gift, but I didn't, because I didn't know, guys. We just stopped there for a visit, and she gave me those plants, and it got blown by the winds last night because it was heavy, it was windy. It's a terrible storm, but doesn't look like it left any marks. If you can see today, nothing really is. Ay, sorry, my god, I plant this and I step on it. Some Madre de Agua are already having sprouts like this. So like it's good. Good. So there's a lot of nest actually here, guys. This is the same area as before, but like this, there's one here and another one here, and there was another one somewhere. There, one there, it's building, still building its nest. So let's see if this has something. Nothing. I go. Nothing, guys. And here, this is what worried me last night. Oh my god! I think it needs help. It needs help. Like, you okay, guys? Huh? You okay? Don't fly, okay? I don't know what type of bird is this. Okay, I think it looks better now. So they're okay. Their nest is dry. Wow, how did the mother set the leaves up for them to not get wet? There's just a lot of leaves in this tree, guys, but I'm not taking any of the leaves just for them. Actually, I got one yesterday from this branch here because I only, not this one, I think. Oh yeah, this one, fresh. And this one from yesterday. Oh, I feel so guilty. Oh, let's say the other day maybe. I feel so guilty because I just because I cut from the back, from the other end, from the other side, and I just noticed them when I trimmed or cut this this branch here. Like, oh, I'm so sorry. But anyway, the shade, if it rained, is from this part here in the top. So like, I don't know what else I can do for them because the nest looks like tilted over. I think they're okay. And there's more nest here. I can't I found yesterday there's more somewhere, but anyway, I'm glad they're okay. And the other one has one baby. I know there is one nest here with just one baby that's bigger than them. Wait, it's more of an open space in that other nest. There's only one baby, not that one. I don't know, maybe it flew already. No? But I swear I did not do anything, Daddy. So I don't know, maybe it flew away already because that one, guys, that is bigger, like same size as before, and it's definitely bigger than these two here. So let's check the turkey eggs and the chicken eggs. The turkey egg that's in the creek and the chicken eggs in the new chicken house. Stay tuned. I'm so thankful, guys, that Bob and Joy came. That Bob helped William so much in this chicken build. Hi, Bob. Thanks a million times for your visit here and helping out and giving a hand to William. That is really appreciated so much. And I'm glad you brought Choi again because I get to eat new food again. I mean, it's my first time to have shepherd's pie in the farm. I want to share to you guys what we made yesterday. Shepherd's pie. I never know that it's that simple to make. I never had a like, it never crossed my mind to like make that thing here. Like, whenever foreigners like expats visit the farm, they would always mention, oh, they miss their shepherd's pie back home, blah 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 blah. Why did I not try? I don't know. Really, I will share a short clip of what we made yesterday. I think I have a little video. So these guys, one side, William put a temporary wall, which is the black sheet, and this is the area that I was talking about. And so I noted that there's 4 that's empty, but Mama Rhode Island Red, half Rhode Island Red, has brought down her babies on the ground. Hello, Mama. You happy you have babies? You have proved yourself that you can have and can lay eggs, can hatch eggs and bring them to life. So she was here before attacking William, and this area usually gets rains, and you know the winds would be coming from this side every like windy day, yeah. So I checked William this morning and he told me he's gonna check, but I forgot to ask him again. Hello, ate. So this empty. This has all Rhode Island Reds, all brownish. Hello, ate. It's a Rhode Island half cast Rhode Island Red again, and empty. And see these guys, Rhode Island Red and white eggs. So surely these are young mothers that are egging in one nest. Empty. So like right now, 1, 2, 3. There's eggs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those empty. Those are empty now. So by the looks, guys, it's all dry. And maybe that's why William did not get back to me. They're all dry, guys. It's so, like, I feel relieved that they're all dry and they're seated the same. So I'm happy. So let's look at the turkey. I have my heart is beating fast because I'm so excited for those turkey, guys. We will have white baby turkeys here in the farm soon. It would be lovely to have them in the farm because I cannot have peacocks in the farm, according to William. Hi, Ai. Hello, everybody. Yes, babies. So my goats are following me. They want to go out early. Maybe they know the rain is coming. I don't know. Like right now, there's overcast. There's a light overcast in any part of the cloud. Like it's spread out. I think they're gonna come later, not now, because as you can see, it's still sunny. So hot. Like I cannot understand the weather now because like even if it rains so hard, it's still so hot. And as you know, I'm here outside herding most of my time in the afternoon, so I really feel like even if there's so many trees around the farm, in the neighborhood, in the other neighboring farms, it's still so hot, guys, and I'm so sweaty, yucky all the time. So let's check the turkey here. I get scared whenever it's rainy because the grass is kind of wet-ish. Look at the slopey area here, and sometimes I slide. I don't notice because of this grass that it's like super wet. And let's see, turkey. Oi! Ay, can you help me with this eye? Kadali lang ha. And like here, because it's damaging the fence. Stay tuned, guys. I just have to fix this. Whenever I see, I don't want to forget. I just have to fix. Let's see if the mama is wet. She's okay, guys. She's here. Hey, mama, you okay? So all these plants are covering her and her eggs. So hopefully, she's so watchful. Look at that. Hopefully, she will be okay, or her babies and her will be okay. Because the projection, the weather forecast is it will be another rainy day tomorrow here in the Philippines, and in Davao particularly, it's gonna be super heavy rains again. So let's see, guys. That means I have to get more goat food, and I have to do something because I don't know how heavy it's gonna be. I have to do something about my turkey. Like before, I put a big basket to cover her, just like just to protect her and her eggs. And she had 9 at that time. I think it was 9 or 8. But she had her babies last time were all sold out already. Sold out already, guys. So they're okay. So the birds are okay, the chicken eggs are okay, the chickens are okay, and the turkey is okay with her eggs. So thanks for tuning in, guys. This has been One Pinoy Chick Chats. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comments are always welcome. Bye. Bye. Oh, that's ready. Guess what we're making? Ooh. That is choco, carrot, onion, garlic, Australian beef, and what else do we have here? That's all. Onions.
And garlic.
And garlic only, right?
Yeah.
Smells so good, hon.
So let's flatten.
And we have this. Can you guess now? Woohoo!
Mashed potato.
Sam, please ito nga na, dear.
Yes.
Yung biyaan na lang na siya, no?
Yes.
Sa oven.
Yes. That's all.
So who can guess? Who can guess? Who can guess? Tang tararang, ting 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 ting, ting tararang. That's before it went to oven. Ting tararang, ting 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 ting. Wow, wow.